we're going to moon. But
Convert siya ta.
look at the party composition right now. Top parties, the red, the flex under the red banner on the comp. You're gonna go to sun in when there's 20 seconds left.
Stay tayo, stay.
Blue banners, you guys are gonna go to star. So make sure you're posturing in
Ako
moon.
layo.
We are already posturing towards the side that you're going on, but don't make it too obvious either. Like me right now, I'm a north side, but I'm on like the closer to sun side of like north side, like running into the wall as if I'm waiting to get in.
Saan ata yung sinasabi?
Dito tayo sa ano, sa may star side.
And then head to star
Okay.
and sun in
Salta
10
nga kayo ulit.
seconds. 10
Tina ko yung
seconds.
ano.
Hello.
Lang.
Hello.
Yan. Sige nga.
Start heading there now. We go north side.
Hello.
Yan.
Hello.
Okay na.
And make sure that you're postured towards like moon side on the point too as well. Right?
Dinig, boss.
Like,
10 seconds. Get ready.
Okay.
Let's go, boys.
Okay, inside.
Pipihan ko kagad to.
Putik na yan, grabe. Ano yun,
Yun
Asura?
ang daming whitesmith. Wait! Grabe yung shred ng whitesmith. The fuck?
Okay, inside the point. Nice. Head to moon.
Ang sakit.
Head north side of moon. Actually, no, yeah. Just stay on the outside for now. Actually, no, just kill them inside. Kill them inside now. Don't even wait. Kill them inside.
Ay,
Nga, ang kati nga eh.
ano? Ang katay putik. Whitesmith na ba ito?
Kill them inside here. Yeah. Take a look where they headed. Sun. Okay. Let's head to sun. Head to sun. Yeah, head to sun.
Sana daw.
Let's counter sun.
Oh,
Get
nakaloki.
inside. Inside now. Don't wait. Do not wait. Just get inside. Flood it. They don't have everybody here right now. Yeah.
They're taking
Yes
moon.
na ako.
Yeah. It's okay.
Toki sa ano.
We'll just have to rotate from this side to that side. We'll
Medyo
give 50.
makapal.
We'll give 50. It's okay. Okay.
Tak nila
All right.
saan.
Let's go moon now. They lock moon first, so we'll have the agency on moon. Let's get on the inside track right now.
Pati nung ano? Whitesmith? Dead ako.
Boss seat here. Make sure we're
Wake
grabbing
up.
moon, and then we're gonna go star
Wake
right
up.
away. Yeah.
Dandan.
Down ako.
Ano mamatay sa Asura?
We're chilling here. Okay, just grab moon first. Posture towards sun now. I mean star. Sorry. Posture towards star.
Star.
We're gonna get straight to star. Everybody straight to star. 3 minutes until mobs, yeah.
Check ano. Sa likod. Check sa likod.
Hey, they're starting to hit the star as well.
Clear.
Ito na sila.
Okay, make sure we grab it. And then get ready to
Loki.
get the banner here.
Okay.
Yup. Lock it. And then grab this right now. Everybody grab this right now.
Right, it worked this time. Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Okay.
Nice.
Alright, actually, let's get out of sun. Go to moon. We're gonna grab moon first. 3, 2, 1. Everybody inside. Inside now.
Pasok na ako.
Everybody inside now. Bodies inside now. Everybody inside now.
Ng mga palakol to.
Ah, we're too slow. Go sun.
Ano nakuha na? Lock na.
Lock na.
We're just too slow, man. Just way too slow.
Ah, shit.
Padala merch.
Ayun na, wrong click.
I think sun just locked.
Yeah, sun just locked.
Lock din nila yung sun.
Let's head to star. Then head to star for now.
Nandito na ako sa star.
Head to star.
Boy.
Ito na,
I guess
piniflip
we're
na
gonna be too slow
nila.
for this too. Oh shit, man. Don't go through moon.
Lu,
Go
sa likod pa ako, Lu.
to star. Start getting control over star here.
Ayun na. JJ pa
Get in star. Body in star. There's too many people
Star.
outside. Go inside. And it's locked again.
Putik, walang tao sa loob ng star.
Wala Walang
boy.
tao sa loob.
Ah,
Walang
man,
pumasok.
we're getting.
Walang
Jesus Christ. Go moon, go moon, go moon, go moon.
Wala na, nakalock na ulit.
Ulo.
Ang inang yan.
Go moon, go moon, go moon. We
Pasok
got we
sa
just
moon,
got
pasok sa
crippled
moon.
by a low tier guild, boys. What's going on?
Key.
Dead ako.
Go inside moon, go inside moon, go inside moon.
Siguro
One
ako.
minute,
Wait
mobs.
lang.
Right
Ang dami
na rin.
tao sa labas kanina.
They're waiting outside.
Yeah,
Just
nga
look south, AOE south, AOE south, AOE south, AOE south now.
Heavy south, heavy
now.
south, heavy
AOE
south.
south now. We're getting
Flores.
returned by another guild, boys. Can we
Ayun.
get inside moon, please.
Pasok mo na ako.
No way we lose. No way we lose
Puro
a head-to-head against
tao.
these guilds. Are we
Eh?
fucking actually? Are we this
Ano,
bad?
masa kayo?
Fuck me. Go sun, go sun, go
Gogi.
sun, go sun, go sun. What?
Ito ba to?
What?
Saan na ako ah?
Saan na ako? Saan
No
na ako?
fucking shot, man. Everybody sun, everybody sun, everybody sun.
Let's
Captain
go
Wood-
mobs now.
20 mobs.
Okay, go mobs after. Mobs.
Saan na ako? Doon sa star. Sa star tayo. Star side.
No way we're getting shit on by these guys, bro. Hello?
Ay, para si ano, si...
They're full sending
Nandito pala si
mid,
ano eh,
bottom.
May.
We should get top right and top left.
Boy, andito si May.
Yeah, there's 4
Hindi
parties
siya
here.
sumali ng party.
Kaka-login lang.
Baka kakalagin lang. Gago, what the
Saan na siya?
Okay, and then head to star after. Head to
Can we
actually
take
head to star. Let's get star. Everybody hit star. I don't know about you boys, but we're very
Yeah, man.
close to making this very
Okay, oh.
unredeemable unless we fucking focus
Come on.
the fuck up and we actually get into the point and we start looking at where they are and we AoE there. Yeah. Somebody's still in moon. Somebody's still going moon on our side. Really? All right, we're going moon. We're going moon. We're going moon because one fucking dumbass is in there.
Ito ah. Gagaling ako sa gilid.
Lilikod ako.
Lulukid na naman tayo, pre. Sige, naka
Okay,
pa ako.
they're frozen. Engage. Full engage. Swords.
Frozen
sun side,
sila,
full engage,
frozen
sword
sila.
sun side. AoE sword sun side now.
Okay, bursting ako ah.
AoE sword sun side. Capture this.
Ah,
Push
ako.
all the way. Push to the back. Push to their backline.
Dito, sa likod ako.
Push to the backline now.
Sa likod
Push to the
ako.
backline now.
Lukid ulit,
Go
lukid
sun
ulit.
now. Everybody go sun now.
Ay,
Saan na,
nalores.
saan na?
Morning sun. Ay,
Go
sayang.
sun. Take sun.
Nalores.
LP ako. What the fuck?
Ano tayo dito?
And we're gonna posture after we lock this. We're gonna posture towards moon. Yeah, outside of moon. Let them take it green and everybody, and I mean every
North
fucking
side tayo,
body
north side
needs to
tayo,
go in
north
here.
side tayo.
Everybody. When I say everybody, every fucking body. If you have a dick, if you have a fucking vagina, I
Ah.
need you in this fucking point as soon as it
Uy.
ticks green.
Labas muna.
Let it go green first.
Let
Let
it
it
go
go
green.
green.
Ano
Dumbasses,
ito,
holy
taas
shit.
magan?
Let it go green. Skirmish
Hey,
up on the
balls,
outside here.
Team Z.
And let it go green.
Dito.
Okay,
Ayun na,
inside. Everybody inside now. Inside now.
Up ako.
Inside now. Bodies inside.
Hindi, sige, mag-i-spawn na ako.
Nalok.
Bodies inside. Fight in the back here.
Guys,
Target
dive
the
them
wizard
star
first.
side. It's too open.
Left side.
Kira, parang
AoE
kira.
south side now.
Diretso ko si Manny.
Sa spawn.
My God.
Okay, go sun.
Magsasun sila, magsasun sila.
Everybody go sun.
Dami low-key, holy
Let's take
shit.
green. Everybody
No,
inside
no, no,
inside now. Wrap around now.
Sa likod
Do
na,
not wait, do not
south side
wait.
tayo, south
Do
side
not
tayo,
fucking
south
wait.
side tayo.
Nasa likod ako.
Take it back.
Makamarap mo ako, Jay.
Ha?
Look for these wizards as well. Don't let them
Makamarap
AoE.
mo ako.
Ayun.
Look for the DPSs first. They have
Nakuha na,
snipers that are very
nakuha,
vulnerable.
nakuha.
Okay, we go moon.
Iron sa open.
2 minutes until
May kalabang
mobs.
ka, Merv.
Si next.
Alay sa akin. Ay, ka.
Ready. They're full south side. Look at south side. They're heavy
Tama na.
south side. We're going in 3,
South,
2, 1. Everybody in now.
In,
Inside
in.
now.
LP ako.
Ah,
Tang
ayun
ina,
muna.
low-key. Sa south tayo. Ikot kayo ng south.
Maraming tao south.
May low-key ulit.
Make sure we're targeting the
Dami.
wizards, the casters. Don't let them live.
Wala na. Dead ako.
Makuha.
Mira.
Take it back our direction.
Dito ako,
No way
boy
we
pa
lost
ako.
this, right? GG.
Oh,
Holy shit.
puta.
We go star. We go star, we go star, we go star.
Magtalo tayo sa clash.
Ano to?
Boys, I need you guys to
Head
focus
to
the
head.
fuck up, yeah? We're about to be irredeemable when it comes to these points.
Ito na.
Talo tayo.
South.
Look
Check.
south side,
South
south side.
side.
They're pushing south side, they're pushing south side, they're pushing south side. Okay, we go moon, we go moon, we go moon, we go moon. We have 50 seconds until mobs, yeah?
Tulo ako.
We go moon here, we go moon here, we go moon here. Look at south side, AoE south side, AoE south side, neon grass, everything at south side now, south side, AoE south side now. Catch him on the south
Papasok
side
na
here.
ako. Papasok ako. Oh shit. Papa ko, pap.
Okay. Guys,
Help ako ah.
Nice, go
No.
sun, go sun, go sun, go sun, go sun. I
Sun
see
na po,
30 seconds.
Mobs.
Go to mobs, just go to mobs, just go to mobs.
Mobs,
go to
mobs.
go to
25, 20.
Get ready to go into Baron, yeah? Where's my party? There you go. Get ready to go into Baron.
boy, taga saan mo lahat?
Ito na.
10
Mag-stack
seconds.
wave ako.
My party let's just take sun. Let's
Ito
just
na,
take
sa labas,
sun.
boy,
Somebody already ticked it.
Lang yan.
Yeah, take
Sa
sun, take sun,
soda.
take sun.
Ito sa soda. Dead sa soda.
Just
Dead
take
sa
sun,
soda.
take sun, take sun.
Apulit sa soda oh.
Alright, make sure we're going mobs, and then head to Baron after. Head to Baron now, head to Baron now. Head to Baron now. Get to Baron.
Dito, Mervs, huwag ka umimali sa akin.
They're in Baron.
Fuck,
Get
fuck.
the mobs here.
Tara, Baron. Huwag ka umimali sa akin.
Oo.
We focus Baron, we
Kasi
focus
si-
down Baron.
baka
We focus
void.
down Baron.
Dead sa soda.
Focus down Baron. Get reses. Focus down Baron now. Burn it.
Okay, burst na. Baron.
Ay, mo
Alagay ako LP.
Yeah, burn it. I'm preparing the frost here.
Lang,
Get the Baron. They're pushing in. As soon as they push in, I'll freeze them. It's okay. Okay, frozen. Get the Baron now.
Okay na.
Got it.
Guys, go moon.
Nakilala ko,
Everybody go moon now. Do not fucking waste this. Go moon. Catch him with the inside of moon here.
Apak na ako ah.
Sa loob na ako.
Get the
Okay, okay.
DPSs first. There's a lot of Dorams here that are very vulnerable, especially if you're a paladin.
Low.
Lock this out.
So, bind eh.
Lock this, and we're getting to sun right away. Go into sun now. We're going to sun now.
Ano?
Move to sun.
Low ako. Ah,
Move to sun now.
wag na, mag-i-spawn ako.
Okay,
Sa...
wag na. Hello kayo.
Fight this out. Okay, we're going to moon. Going to moon. Going to moon.
Outside muna. Flip.
Muna.
Start going
Sa
inside moon
ano,
now.
six at six,
Inside moon now. Start pinning their numbers. Get the
Go, go,
wizards,
go,
get the
go, go,
casters,
go,
get the
go.
casters.
Patay na. Loki sa left. Right kay, may Loki sa left ha.
Turn it back now.
Ito, meron na sa light.
Relock it.
Meron sa right.
Relock it back to our side. Relock back to our side.
Map mo ako.
Ayun na.
May Loki sila sa ano.
Relock it back. Get kills here. Get kills on the DPS. Their DPS are very squishy. Make sure that we're
Nilabutan
getting these
nila,
wizards.
ulo sila
Lock.
lahat
Okay,
to.
go star. Star now. Everybody star now.
Dito na sila ha.
Clara, parang ako. Ano?
Everybody star. Catch them on the push on the outside here. Make sure we're catching these guys.
Lokid yung harapan.
Watch out for the push coming from south side.
Ikaw na sila. Nag-sun.
Nag-send na sila.
We're going moon.
Doon tayo, 6-6
Gabang
tayo,
na sa
6-6.
muna.
Going moon now. Start going inside moon. Everybody inside moon now. Inside moon now.
Na, love na ako ah.
Inside moon.
May Loki.
Dito na din ako. Sa likod ako. Dami.
Inside moon now.
Dami.
Everybody inside of moon.
Man.
Inside.
Oh, yun. Caster yung inuna ko, boy.
Okay.
Una kayo
Ay,
mga Dora.
kinakain ko yung alaga.
Push
Dami
north
Dora.
side. Pushing north side here. We're losing the point, guys. Push north side, north side, north side,
Okay,
north side,
Ito,
north
ito,
side.
ito, yung mga caster na low-kit ako.
Push them north side,
May
push
Loki,
them
may
north side.
Loki.
North. Punta ka north.
Push them
Adjust kayo
down
north.
to
Adjust
DPS
kayo
here.
north.
Get their numbers down.
Adjust kayo north. Adjust kayo north. Meron na ulit sa north. South
It's
naman,
okay.
south. Lipat kayo
Even
south.
if you keep this at a stalemate, it's fine. We're fine with it.
Lipat kayo south. Lipat kayo south. Lipat kayo south.
Yan.
Relock it our side, relock it our side.
Got it, we got it.
Okay, nice, 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 nice. We're going sun, 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 sun. Everybody sun, everybody sun, 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 sun. Sun, if they want to go for star, that's okay. We're winning on points.
Shit. Nakain ako na sila. Sorry, sad pala.
Boy, nasa star ka boy. Ay,
Ah. Magre-respawn ako ng moon. Sorry. Dueling. Papunta na sila. Adjust sila sa may ano.
Lock na.
Okay,
Ah.
go moon, go moon, go moon.
Pas papunta sila.
Inside moon.
Andito ako sa
Don't
may
even wait.
north
I'm not
side.
even
Nasa
gonna
may
wait for
north
Virgo.
side ako.
Everybody's too slow. Just go inside. Inside now. Fight it now.
Shit.
Loki, may Loki.
May lokid ah. Nakatabak na
Lokid
ako.
Dito ako.
Lang,
Nice.
Southside meron ulit. Meron din sa southside. Lumipat yung lokid nila.
Fire tayo, siguro.
To the squishies
Ah,
first.
lock
Target the
na.
squishies.
Nalak na. Nadid ako.
Ayun, nice.
yeah, boy, kung walang baron, talo tayo.
Oo.
Magalit naman si Patin.
Ang
Lagi,
weird
ang
nun,
ano.
hindi tayo manalo sa ano.
Head
Ang
to
daming
head
tao sa
natin.
labas. Ang daming tao sa labas. Yung mga kalaban natin nasa loob na, nakapwesto na, tapos may mga tao pa rin sa labas sa atin kanina. It's so weird.
GG guys, congrats,
GG,
congrats guys.
GG.
GG, thank you.
That was anything but a good game.
Yeah, we kind of came back with the Baron, but someone was fucking around and finding out in the middle.
We're still, like, the
Again.
fact that we still have